By now, you're probably familiar with OLED, LG's premium TV. Well, OLED TVs are now equipped with Alpha 9, a new, powerful, intelligent processor that remarkably enhances the viewing experience. Thanks to the Alpha 9 chip, OLED has been upgraded on 3 fronts. The 4-step process of noise reduction is twice more powerful than before and noticeably improves the image clarity. This new processor also offers more natural colors thanks to its advanced mapping capabilities. Lastly, this new chip supports 4K HFR with 120 frames per second, hence eliminating all judders and motion blurs. Furthermore, Cinema HDR introduces a truly cinematic experience regardless of the format. Artificial intelligence adds a whole new dimension to your home entertainment experience. AI TV is a smarter way for you to interact with your television and ultimately all other connected devices in your home. It's basically the best way to get what you want quickly and conveniently. Why don't we take a look at the OLED TV in this living room? First of all, what's great about this AI TV is that you can simply use your voice to control it and change all the settings. Let me show you. Cinema mode on.
Picture and sound will be changed to cinema mode.
The second advantage is that you can enjoy TV with intelligent content information. For instance, you can search the soundtrack of a movie or learn more about its cast. Last but not least, you can get the most out of your LG AI TV with the built-in Google Assistant. Of course, you can check out the weather, maps, restaurants, and even personal photos. Show me my photos from the Grand Canyon.
Take a look at these pictures from your Google Photos.
By the way, I forgot to mention, but you can also order pizza and even book a ride. So as you just witnessed, OLED TVs equipped with LG ThinQ AI technology are taking us to the next level, and the future seems very promising. And as you can see here, the OLED TV blends in perfectly with all types of interior designs. I guarantee you won't be disappointed.